Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. Today we are going to discuss about OPEC, that is the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. It is a permanent intergovernmental organization created at Baghdad Conference on September 1960. The 5 founding members are Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia and Venezuela. The headquarters is Vienna, Austria. The objective of OPEC is to coordinate and unify petroleum policies among member countries in order to secure fair and stable prices for petroleum producers. The OPEC has 13 member countries as of now. They are listed below. Recently, Ecuador has withdrawn its membership effective from 1st January 2020. OPEC has also published the World Oil Outlook annually. It presents a comprehensive analysis of global oil industry, including medium and long-term projections for supply and demand in this publication. Now let us discuss about OPEC Plus. It was formed in late 2016 to have more control on global crude oil market. The non-OPEC countries which export crude oil are termed as OPEC Plus countries. The OPEC Plus countries are listed below. Some of the major countries are Malaysia, Oman, Russia, South Sudan and Kazakhstan. Now let us discuss about OPEC Fund for International Development. It is established as a multilateral development finance institution to promote cooperation between member countries of OPEC and other developing countries. It was established in January 1976. The resources of OPEC consist mainly of voluntary contributions by OPEC member countries and income derived from its investments and loans. All non-OPEC developing countries are in principle eligible for its assistance. Some of the recent news regarding OPEC plus countries is OPEC has been working with Russia as to fix the global prices and supply. It decided to cut its production by 10 million barrels a day. Now let us see a question based on this. Which one of the following is not true about OPEC? 1. It is headquartered in Vienna. This is true. It publishes World Oil Outlook. This is also true. C. This consists of all the oil exporting countries. This statement is false because some countries like Russia, Mexico, South Sudan are not there in OPEC. They are included in OPEC plus countries. D. Ecuador withdraw its membership of OPEC effective 1st January 2020. This is also true. So the answer is C. Thank you.